your club. Is my video and audio is clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So this particular session is not like a webinar where we listen all the time. It is more about the conversation, and it's a workshop. So when we say workshop, it's a doing and learning kind of a practice model where in next 2 hours, we will be building our own profile in the online space, which is a global space where LinkedIn is predominantly, it's a very happening place for the GCC and MNCs and even Fortune 500 companies. So may I understand what is your understanding about LinkedIn? Maybe we'll converse for 2-3 minutes on your own understanding. Then we will start with the session. So what does it LinkedIn means to you? Your own understanding, you can open your mic and then share your answers. Yes, anyone? LinkedIn means, what does it mean to you? Is it a job portal? It's a platform, or what is your understanding? Is it a social media platform? What it is?
It's a platform where we connect with other and learn more from their posts and try to connect more about jobs.
Yeah, it's a job portal where we can connect with the recruiter and we can have some skills in the training. Okay, so the skill training is also there. So we can take the courses and it's a job recruiting portal. Like how do we have that Indeed and Naukri, similar kind of things, but it's a professional, it is in a more professional way.
Mm-hmm. Any other answer? What is your understanding? What does it LinkedIn means to you?
It's like
We can do our network and we can build our own network through the HRs and we can whatever the industry people are, we can connect through that LinkedIn.
Okay, networking.
it's like a social network built specifically for careers and professional growth, etc.
Mm-hmm. Okay, all are right answers, but I'll give you a different perspective. My background is into recruitment for first 10 years, executive search firms where I worked for about 10 to 15 different industries, and then moved to companies like Wipro, Manipal, Upgrad in the leadership hiring. So I'm using this LinkedIn from about 2011, 12 when it is at a very, very initial stages. From that time onwards, I'm using this LinkedIn. So the differentiation between Naukri, Indeed, and LinkedIn, I'll tell you so that you have a clear understanding on how effectively we have to use LinkedIn. Otherwise, if we don't know the purpose, we will not use to the fullest capabilities. So first and foremost, Naukri, Monster, Times Jobs, these are all comes under a job portal category where only recruiters can access your profile, post a job or hunt for your profile. These all happens at Naukri, Times Job, Monster, Dice, those kind of a portal. Now, second comes the Indeed. Indeed is an aggregator. It is not a job portal. It's not a networking platform. It aggregates all the websites, job posting, and put it in one place, like how we do a Book My Show or Redbus, where they are aggregators of buses, aggregators of events. Likewise, Indeed is also an aggregator for jobs. That's how we have to utilize it. Now, when it comes to LinkedIn, it's a professional networking platform, like a couple of people said, where it can be one of the job element, but that is not the only element. It is purely on the professional networking forum, where we have to connect with the premium people like founders, HRs, recruiters, CEOs, because it's a global wide networking platform. So in networking, job can be one of the vertical, but that is not the only vertical. So utilization of LinkedIn should not be like a job portal. If you are using like a job portal, you are using very minimal, I would say. Rather, it's a place for your personal branding. It is a place for your exposure, showing visibility, searchability, all those elements put together. Now, if somebody is searching your name, that in the Google arena, LinkedIn is the first thing which comes in the top. Okay, so after this call, maybe you can just cross check if somebody's professors or principal or anybody else you want to search with your name and then company. The first and foremost thing which appears in Google will be LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is a very supportive platform for Google for searchability for common man, because for celebrities and all that, they will have a PR agency where they will publish in a lot of newspapers, blogs. They will appear on Google Images, Google first 10 pages, all that. But common man for you and me, PR will be on the LinkedIn side where our profile comes into the top on the Google search. You search any common man, principal or correspondent of your college or anybody else like that way, you will see LinkedIn will be one of the first or second placement. It will come in the Google search. So that's how the element which we are building is something, it's a global element which we will be visible to the entire arena. That's how we have to understand. Now moving on to the next segment, I want to volunteer who can share your screen so that we will understand how are the basic analytics, where are we standing on LinkedIn. We will check couple of analytics to understand better, and then we will move on to the step-by-step process of creating a LinkedIn profile. Will that work?
Yes. Harshit, please can you share your screen?
Okay, great. So everybody are able to see the screen? All right. Now, the step-by-step analytics we will do one by one. So if at all you are in laptops, you can also do parallelly if time permits. Otherwise, you can make a note of it and experiment it later. So first and foremost, Harshit, you can click the 3 dots button. Now click the save to PDF option. Yeah. Now your entire LinkedIn content has been saved as a PDF. Now open a Google tab. Here you type resumeworded.com. Correct.